So this is how you take all of this out. And this is currently the interior. It's kind of a wreck. I ripped up these floorboards to find the bare fiberglass underneath, and it was all wet. So there's bits and pieces still left in here, an old fire extinguisher. Can't remember what's in that bag. You can see outside. That is the ship's bell. And then looking underneath, in the deep dark depths of the boat, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, pretty nasty. Okay, and it's painted a kind of speckled dark grey, which doesn't make it very bright in here. Yes, it's up on jacks. Missing an axle. Lights don't work. Hull seems to be in good shape. This is nasty. Portholes seem to be airtight, watertight. This is good stuff. Old spare tyre. This needs to be... Oh, this seems alright. Tangle of old stuff. This is not quite straight. This is probably going to have to be changed out. Magic tilt. Wouldn't be surprised if all of this needed changing. We'll see. Oh look, there's something. No, but that's... That's probably going to need changing. Nuts from the wheels. I only see one wheel here. I don't know where the other wheel went. This looks like it's seen better days. I still don't know what this bungee cord is for. Oh, bit of a crack there. This looks a big old chunk of wood here, but the rest of it seems pretty good. Drain holes. Nice nice aluminium or aluminum rudder. This thing is a homemade mast and boom stowing device, which is really heavy and a little bit oversized, I think. Could probably do something with a 3-inch pipe, but fundamentally I like that design. It's solid. Lots of work.